All right. Now we are live. Let's go ahead and cover our watch list. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my watch list as well, BRQS. Now, right now I'm watching 5 stocks on the day, and all of them are doing somewhat okay, except ALNA and BRQS. First of all, we have QNRX. QNRX is gapping up 94%, with today's volume being almost 13 million, and the average volume being 1 million. So we have very good volume on QNRX. Again, what's the news? I don't see any news. We are just gapping up. We did a pullback to bounce off VWAP here, so let's see if we can hold VWAP with a float of 5.3 million shares. So that's very, very good. Very low float, good volume, good news. It's gapping up. So actually, there's no news. Good news, or good volume and good price action. We have AKBA gapping up 40% with 175 million in float. Not my favorite. It's kind of been staying stagnant between 44 cents and 55 cents. Again, break above 55 cents. Or break above 55 cents. Next target is going to be 64. Break below. If we break below 44 cents, we're coming down to 34. So really just got to wait and play it patient to see what is going to be the factor. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? We have to wait till it breaks out of this range. For VAKBR, therapeutic shares are trading higher after the company executed an arrangement to determine its VAN collaboration and license agreement with pharmaceutical company, received $55 million settlement fee. So AKBA has very, very good news. Again, we could possibly see an uptrend here. Not the cleanest. It's actually not the best at all. So I'm actually going to delete it because I don't like it. I don't want to follow it. But again, above 55, we're going up to 64. So we got to keep AKBA on watch here. QNRX, again, QNRX is the one that is another good one that we're watching, but let's go ahead and get on with it. We have VRME. Now, VRME shot up, approves 1.5 share repurchase program. We've been slowly pulling back. I do not want to trade this below 250. Come below 250, we're going to fall to 220. So, but we do have to break over 213 resistance, which is the 200 SMA. Excuse me. Thank you for stopping in. Love your setup. Looks dope. Thank you. Check for beginners. How are you guys doing? Thank you for the likes. Let's get 1,000 likes. I know we can. All right. So again, with VRME, we're kind of rounded off, just not falling, just kind of staying sideways now. So now we're going to look for a lot of volume on certain candles and see if we can get maybe a pivot low or something, or not, excuse me, a buying climax. But oh wait, we have BRQS possibly looking to get back up into that trend line. No, they were just going. It looks like they were just going up to retest it before coming lower. So unfortunate for BRQS. Only if I could short the shares, because I think our first target's down at 190. If we see BRQS, again, Energy assigned a $50 million contract. Let's see if Josh actually put that in there. I don't think so. So let's go ahead and BRQS. Energy. All right, there we go. All right, we have 87 people in here. Thank you guys for the likes. Again, there's a few other things that I like to jump into. Excuse me. There's a few other things I like to say before I actually jump into my trading sessions. So you got to remember that everything is consistent. You got to believe you're consistent. You got to have a consistent mindset, a consistent execution in your trades. But you also have to remember that everything is random. So never risk more than 3%. And it's okay not to trade. The more you trade, the more likely chance that you're going to get burned, because cash is a position. Always have consistent position sizing. Why do you do this? If you have, well, let me restart. Always have consistent position sizing. Why do you do this? When you start, when you lose, when you win, every single time you win or lose, if you follow your strategy with a 2-to-1 risk to reward, you're going to take profit 2-to-1. That unit of reward is going to be equal every single time you trade. That unit of risk is going to be equal every single time you trade. See, if your position size fluctuates, your winners could have a lot more weight, or your losers could have a lot more weight. Personally, I like scaling into my positions so I can scale into my winners, so that my winners have a lot more weight than my losers. And that's how you can capitalize on using volume to your advantage. And only trade strong trends. Trading is a business, so take every trade seriously. Every trade is going to... Trading is a business. Take every trade seriously. It will be going in your logbook. It will be going in your statistics. So take it seriously. Trading is a business, so have a business mindset. What's up, Cole? Jakey Lakey. How you doing, my man? What do you think about Snapchat today? Let's go and look, guys. Everyone, if you want to look at any tickers, do it now before market opens, so I have time. I might be looking for ALNA to break. Well, oh, hold on. We have break over this area here. We're ripping up to 33 cents. No problem at all. No problem at all. All right, so let's go ahead and we've 4 minutes left until market open. Again, we're gonna look at Snap. I'm doing good. How are you doing, my man? I'm doing wonderful. Let's go ahead and look at Snap. All right, Snapchat here. We do have a gap to fill at 22. We could be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Ideally, if we hold $12, we're going to see probably a push up to around $20, up to around this previous high. 20, possibly just this 50 SMA at 1977. So if Snapchat can hold this and start getting some pressure buying momentum to push us up above this previous high, I do think we're gonna get a pretty good squeeze, couple points out of Snapchat. Again, that's over the course of the next couple weeks, 2 months to come for Snapchat. AMC to the moon. I don't think AMC's ever gonna go to the moon. It went halfway to the moon back in January, but yes. So again, guys, I'm just sitting on my hands at the moment, waiting for the best opportunity. I do like BRQS possibly. I like BRQS for the possible pennant. Room up to, honestly, what I'm gonna be looking for is like, I'm gonna be looking for around 20 to 30 cents. That's it, 20 to 30 cents. If I can catch just 20 cents, that'd be ideal. At 20 cents, 22, and then you're gonna take some off at 35 as well. So that's all I'm looking for. If it breaks up and goes to 250, I'll take that. But right now, my first targets are 22 cents or $2.20, $2.30, and $2.50 for BRQS if we still see it continue to run. I want to see this get a nice strong close, then with a nice squeeze to the open at, well, first of all, there's absolutely no volume. Not right now, there's not. Not right now, but we are getting some volume coming in back up off VWAP off the 20 EMA. Let's see if we can actually hold this and continue higher. QR and X, and making lower lows. Not a huge fan of BRQS either. I mean, you have a pivot low or a pivot high here, so we'll see if it's confirmed or not. We'll see what happens out of this pennant, but it does seem like we are getting some volume. Maybe back up over 2. We're back into this trend line. We have 1 minute left until market open, guys. Let's get rowdy. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's see. Here we go. Thank you, Cole, for the snap. Good info to have. A good day. Yes, it is. Thank you. No problem. Thank you for stopping in. We have 12 seconds left here. It's still coming down. I mean, it could be a washout here. Could be a nice washout. We have big buyer at 197. We got 196. He's getting taken out. And it looks like we're going to continue to go lower here. We have ALAN possibly looking for this break over the highs. I should have bought there. I was looking to buy, but didn't want to. I was looking to take around 3,000 shares. Don't want to. It's over the high now. I didn't want to jump in a little. I was a little bit too. I was a little bit too quick for it. So let's see if this can start to. We have BRQS starting to pull down. I didn't really want to risk AL and A. So we're gonna see what happens. I want to see a quick pullback. I don't want to see this flush back below that previous high, but I do want to see a slight pullback for a retest. Room up to 33 cents. We have just this, like, the same amount of volume on this candle, so if not more. So I don't like that at all. So I'm actually not watching that. We're going to QNRX for the top stock now. QNRX. I want to see a squeeze over the high. I want to see a quick pullback and a squeeze over the high. Let's see. Let's see an easy pullback here. I don't like the 5 minute. Man, guys, everything's getting hammered. Thank you guys for the follow. If we could, let's get 1,000 likes. I know we can. Guys, the market's slow. Trading's boring. You have to be patient. Patient pays in this market. IONR. Halted to the downside. You have bids at 16. Let's see BRQS. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can get back over this red to green move, and then possibly a nice squeeze up over this area, looking for room higher. Again, I'm going to be looking for around 350 shares. Going to be taking 150 increments. I possibly might be looking to go in with 450. But we'll see if this can get the nice break. I might scale in if I get the opportunity. I might scale in with one for anticipation and then 2 shares or 2 lots to start to actually scale in. I want you guys to look at this setup for a second. We have ALNA, we have a pre-market high, we have a pullback, and then we have a higher low with a nice explosive move out of the we have a nice low, we have a nice higher low with a nice explosive move at market open. Now, we see a pullback into the 9 EMA and into this area of support. That would be a great reason, that would be a great entry to take. Right? If you're looking at bull flag, that's a great entry to take. But the one thing that you need to look at is the volume. See how the volume is so much higher on this candle. It has a smaller spread. It's at the top, and it washed back below and is lower. And see what happens because we see that confirmed selling. We saw that confirmed selling push us all the way down to 24 cents from 30 cents to 24. Pushed us so far down, and that's what volume does. Without volume, you don't know what that candle's going to do. That candle could have a lot of power or no power, and the power is solely determined on how much volume it has. Let's see. Watch this false move over 30. Possibly a false move over 30. Very light volume. I'm not taking it at all. I am not taking it. Even if it starts to move, I'm not taking it at all. We have REV starting to move. REV. I like REV, guys. No, he's short REV? What in the world? No, he's not. I don't like that candle. I'm done. I'm not touching it. Watch this cup and handle possibly, but not a huge fan of it. Watch the flush out break below 26. This is most likely done for the day. I do like BRQS possibly for the red to green move. I mean, actually, I don't know. The more I look at it, the less it. I'm not a huge fan. We have ALNA though. ALNA still looking to pop off. Let's see. Just a little bit too wiki for me. A little bit too wiki. I should have really looked at REV too, but come up to 34 if we break it. I'm not a huge fan though. This is very light volume. We want to push up into this. If I see a big seller start to get taken out, I'm looking to jump in here for the quick move higher. But I don't see that seller at all. I don't see that seller at all. We're at 3. We want to go at 3 cents. At 3 cents, we want to see that seller come in. We have a 181 seller, not high enough, not enough for me. There's the squeeze, but I don't think it's gonna get a nice pop. I would have entered at 30 cents. I think it's gonna pull back more. We have a big buyer at 30. It's pulling back. Drop below 30. Most likely, buyers are gonna start selling their position if they're long, because a lot of people are buying for that breakout. If it started falling back below, it's probably most likely gonna dump on off. So let's not see the buyers back below 30 cents. But we have a lot of buying while they're getting taken out. That squeeze, there it is, back below. We have ALNA. That's ALNA. TALS. Nope. QNRX. Nope. ALNA. I'm not liking it. We're getting a lot of volume coming in. I do like that this is the highest volume on the day. I want to see a quick pullback down into this area, and then possibly for more room higher. I mean, next target is going to be 37 after 33. So let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get a quick pullback here up to 37. If I can go up to 37, oh my goodness, that'd be insane. Thank you guys for stopping in. Trade Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin is not moving fast enough for me. If you guys are interested in actually learning how to trade, go ahead and head over to the link in my bio. Go to Alpha Day Trading. It's the first link. They have a bunch of free lessons. These scanners that you can see here that I get. So, and you get a bunch of other benefits. So if you guys are interested in that, go to the link in my bio and select Alpha Day Trading. They're definitely one of the best. Surrounded by, there are so many successful traders in that are just wanting to help, wanting to be, want to provide value. So go check it out. And I'm not really here. Like, we're moving right now. Like we are moving. Guys, it's also hard to see. So yeah, I'm trading equities. I'm trading with stocks or scanners that are showing me exactly what my criteria is. So we have now increasing volume on a lower spread. And we have REV. That would have been a very good trade, but it looks like we are getting rejected off this area. Look at ALNA. I don't like that flush. GMVD. GMVD is halted to the upside, guys. Or it was, at least. Was it? No, it wasn't. It was just really, it popped over 63 cents. Doesn't have a lot of volume. Yeah, it's 77. We have the 50 SMA. We have TRVI. Okay. There it is. CRVI over 296. Room up to 320. Thank you guys for the follow. Thank you guys for the follow. Let's try to get to 1,000 likes. I know we can. Everyone just tap that screen 10 times. QRNX could be just looking to retest this trend line before heading lower. ALNA could be looking to break the highs, and it looks like it's going to, but I'm not a huge fan of it. Gosh, I do not see anything. We have FSRD. FSRD was ripping. Let's see if we can get some more action here. Excuse me. Good volume. I don't see news. But we could see this back up to VWAP here. Nice. If we get a nice squeeze above this area, I do think we're going to see this up to VWAP. Possibly even a little bit higher. We could probably see it up to 99. BRQS. I still think BRQS is going to break the previous high today. This pre-market high, I just have a feeling that it's going to break. We need volume start to come in. It'll most likely probably get rejected off this trend line. We're going to be looking for the higher low and then a break. Room up to 210 and then 220. Break any higher, we have room up to 235. Here we go. We are getting some volume now. How many shares are we looking to take? I'm looking to take 400 shares. I'm going to scale in 200 or in 2 lot. Guys, we have BRQS starting to bounce at 193. We're back above VWAP. Let's see if this starts to squeeze. Let's see if this starts to squeeze. I don't think it will. I want to see a quick pullback, but if it does, you never know. I might have to just, my eyes are focused on level 2. I want to see that pullback. I'm looking for a break over 2, room to 221. I'm going to take it there. That was a little risky. I probably got burned on that play, but I mean, I'm risking it for the biscuit. You know, I wanted to. Let's see a quick micro pullback and then a nice break this trend line. I did jump in a little bit too early. I thought that was the break. Wasn't the break. So I'm going to hold this, manage this position well. Right now I'm risking around 20 cents. Risking around 20 cents. Looking to gain 20. But again, I'm only in with half my position. Once I get the break, I'm going to scale in with the rest. So really my reward is twice the amount of my risk right now. And that's only at my first target. I'm going in. I can jump in again. I can jump in again. I'll jump in. I didn't want to risk it just in case. I'll take that small loss. Oh, never mind. I just saw that increasing volume. That increasing volume selling candle. So I thought I can get a better entry. Still looking to take 400 shares, have 0 on the table. Let's see the squeeze. Let's see a squeeze. 400 shares. Let's see a squeeze over 2. Let's see a squeeze over 2. No, we're not going to get it. Let's see a squeeze over 2. There's 2. Let's see the volume start to come in. Let's see more come in. All right, now I'm at 199 is my cost basis. Gonna sell a quarter at. Let's see. Gonna sell a quarter at. Don't want to see that pullback. I'm risking below 191. Below the 90 EMA, 50 SMA, and VWAP, I'm risking less than 10 cents here. I want to see this break to 210. Break over 210. I'm gonna sell. Or once we get to 210, I'm gonna sell a quarter. Break over the highs. I'm gonna sell half probably. We're gonna see. Let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get it. We're gonna see a lot of volume over 210. We're going to see a lot of volume over 210. I don't want to see it back below 2 or 192. Increasing volume doesn't look like we're really going to get over this area. Or we could just be retesting this trend line. Let's see what happens here. At 400 shares long, I think I'm going to get stopped out. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out here. I'm going to move it down just a little bit more because I don't see that volume. But it looks like I'm just about to get stopped out no matter what. So I want to see this close above VWAP if we can get a strong push. We have 30 seconds left on this candle. I want to see a push and squeeze above VWAP. Nope, I'm getting stopped out for sure. I'm letting it be. I'm letting it be just in case I don't. Just in case it squeezes back up. Which is very well possible. We have 10 seconds left. I want to see a strong close. If not, I'm going to get stopped out on this candle or next candle, which is fine. It is a very slow day. My first problem was I jumped in too early, thinking that I was going to get. I was risking way too much there. Jumped in a little bit too. We're below VWAP. I don't want to see this. I am going to get stopped out here, probably for a loss, which is all good. We'll see in 3, 2, 1. I am stopped out. No, I'm not. It's not wanting to break. Where's the retest of VWAP? I do think this is probably most likely gonna be done. I can't. There it is. There it is. There's the pop. Back up. Let's see it continue. Let's see if it continues. Let's see a nice squeeze here. Did not get stopped out. Still in this trade. I want to see it break over the high, break over that previous high. My stop's going back to break even. Man, I don't want to see this candle get just destroyed. I want to see that buying pressure come in. There it is. I want to see this micro pullback and then a break over this previous high, break up to 211. At 211, I'm going to take out, depending on the squeeze, I'm going to take out possibly 100 to 200 shares. I mean, gosh, it's just getting hammered right now. We want to see this volume continue to just die off on this candle. We have 30 seconds left. I don't want to see a lot of selling in this area. I want to see an explosive move either on this candle or the next candle. We are now above the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA and VWAP. Let's see if we can get the 9 EMA to cross that VWAP. I want to get a nice strong close on this candle. Don't want to see it below that area. Not a fan of that. We have 10 seconds left on this candle. It looks like we're probably going to close below VWAP. And I don't know if we are or not. It's very choppy. Very choppy at the moment. We did not. We're above the trend line. If we don't get the break here, we're most likely going to fall back all the way low. There we go. Let's see the volume start to come in. We do have a nice break. Break over this high. Break over $2. We're going to see that volume come in and see that squeeze up to 210. Let's see that 10 over. Let's see that squeeze over 2. Watch level 2. They're starting to get filled. Watch level 2. Let's see if we squeeze over that $2 area. Look if those selling start to get taken out. Let's see if the selling wall starts to get taken out at 1. He's trying to sell 123 lots. 119. He's starting to get filled. Let's see. 118. 124. Let's see it 269. Watch for the squeeze. 70. He's 78. Let's see him. Let's see it crack over 2. Doesn't look like we want to. Doesn't look like. Man, come on. I need you to break here. I need you to break on this candle. I need you to break on this candle. Let's see the squeeze over 2. I want to see a squeeze over 2. I want to see the buyers over $2. There's the buyers over 2. Let's see a squeeze. Let's see that volume start to come in. Come on, let's get over that, break over that previous high. I'm gonna look to take some off the table. Once we squeeze over that previous high, I'm gonna take some off the table. I'm gonna take half. It doesn't look like it's super strong, so when we crack above that high, I'm taking some off the table. And then leaving some for more room higher. There's a good micro pullback. I'm going to take all of it when we get closer to 220. We're at 207, 206. Let's see crack over 211. 211 is the area that we got to watch. Crack over 211. I'm going to instantly sell some shares. I'm moving my stops up to break even. I sold some there. See it crack. I sold another half there because we're not seeing it crack. I have 200 shares left. Let's see it start to fall. Or no, not fall. Let's see it start to move higher here. I want to see it. If we don't crack 211 here, I'm going to take some more off the table. I'll take it out. I'll take it out there. I'll take $24 on the day. What did I get filled at? 204, 204, 204. Not bad. Not bad. Risking too much there for that. Wasn't super explosive. So I'll take $24 on the day. 24.01. Not bad to start the day off, the month off with a positive day. So guys, I'm up $24. Thank you for some likes. I'm done trading for the day. If you are interested in continuing to get trading content and continue to get education, again, I myself am not the best at education. I try to do my best explaining during my live stream, but sometimes it's not very good for me because I'm still learning myself, still learning how to be a good commentator. But if you're looking for great commentating, for a great community, profits and profits and profits, go check out Alpha Day Trading. The link is in my bio. I can go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek. So if we're looking at, we're seeing, so here are my two trades. I bought here, sold here for a small loss when it pulled back, and then I bought again another 400, sold up into this area. So that was a winner. I have a total of 600 shares that I traded with, but this is Alpha Day Trading. You can see Josh Howerton here. He has his scanners. These scanners alone are $2,400. So if you want these scanners, you can actually have Alpha Day Trading membership and get the scanners for cheaper than what they are. For like, I think they're 50% off if you do that. Then, I mean, obviously you have his alerts, I alert 2, BRQS, news, all eyes. You can see we have our profits on profits on profits. Dude, this goes back forever. Like I'm saying, that was just the 22nd of this month. We can go back forever. Like, there's so many profits. Thank you, Jakey. Thank you, Jake. And then now, guys, one of my favorite aspects of Alpha Day Trading is, oh, what if I want to check the float? Let's go ahead and look at TSLA. What's going on with Tesla? It takes you directly to FinViz. You can see everything. You can see the short float, short float, the float, outstanding shares. It's so, and you can do the same with Yahoo Finance right here. So let's go and look for Tesla, and it brings you straight to Yahoo Finance. So that's one of my favorite factors about Alpha Day Trading that I use. Plus, Josh is just a wonderful teacher. Josh is very, he knows how to just be calm with everybody. He knows how to just be exciting. He's a very good teacher. He's a six-figure trader. If you are interested in checking us out at Alpha Day Trading, let's go. If you are interested, again, we have our own platform, or Alpha Day Trading is their own platform. So it's not a Discord. We have 101 videos that you guys can watch. It's all for free. It's all unique. Nothing is copy and pasted. We have 13 videos for free. So if you guys want that, if you guys want free lessons, come to Alpha Day Trading. Hit the link in my bio. Go to Alpha Day Trading and look up Intro Membership Lessons. It's in the lessons library. So video lessons library, go ahead and click that. It's probably going to make you sign up an intro membership, but that intro membership does not ask you for your card, and you get access to the live stream from 9 to 9:45 a.m. every morning. So we have, oh, never mind, our free chat's gone. I'll have to talk to Josh about that. But if you guys are interested, definitely go check them out. Again, first link in my bio. It's shaking back and forth. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys bright and early. A Monday morning, ended this 3-day weekend off, and started the month off with a bang, with a nice $24 winner. Nothing crazy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I'll see you guys Monday. Later. $24.01. Let's see another. Six following. First pick on the down. I want to see another 6 picks following.